We do the right thing, the right way, and we make sure all of our customers are satisfied when we're done. We protect what matters most. Vinny started the company literally 60 years ago, back in 1965.
Back then you didn't need insurance, you didn't need a license, you just went to work. But I knew since I was a kid, when I was 6 years old, they built a house behind my house. And I watched the carpenters build that whole thing, and I said, I want to be a carpenter.
And since that day he started the company, he's been trying to contribute to the community and give the best service that he can to his customers. And we've maintained that throughout the whole 60 years that he's been in business. The way we define our quality of work is by giving the best product at the best price, at the best process that we can. From the minute we get out of the trucks, it's planned on who's gonna do what, how the tarps are gonna be draped, and we plan everything throughout the entire job. We care a lot about making sure that every customer is satisfied.
I think the fact that we've been around 61 years in the same town, and we belong to several chambers of commerce and Better Business Bureau with a AAA rating. The longevity of it means we're doing something right. What stayed constant for the last 60 years was we try to do it once, do it right, and go home. And then everybody's happy.